Hi, I'm Kizzy from the Huddle. Welcome. So the Huddle has been trading since June 2020, so we opened mid-pandemic, and this June we will be celebrating our 2-year anniversary. Our shop consists of a range of toys, accessories and slings, ranging from £50 to £35. Generally, most of our toys you will be able to find under £30. All of our toys are open-ended, which means they will last more than one developmental stage, getting more for your money. They are all from UK-owned businesses and try and support independent as much as possible. I am a carrying and parenting consultant, so I'm able to offer support as well, from feeding support, which is bottle feeding and breastfeeding, all the way to sling consultations, and we run regular groups in our family support space at the back Monday to Friday, available for all parents. Every booking allows for 2 adults, so both parents or carer or supporting adult is welcome to join us. Why not pop in and have a look? It'd be lovely to see you. We also have our feeding corner, so if your little one needs feeding or is feeling a little bit overwhelmed by the world out and about, then you are always welcome to pop in, take a seat and feed your little one, or just pop in for a chat. It'd be lovely to see you at the Huddle. Bye.